The kitten is thrilled. As his police officer dad takes him shopping. Stay quiet, kitten, Dad warns. There's a robber mouse ahead. Got you, you evil mouse. But just as the police cat subdues the robber, another mouse sneaks up from behind. Dad, look out, the kitten shouts. But it's too late. Dad is struck down while protecting others, devastated. The kitten sees a police recruitment poster and vows to become a cop, just like his father, to avenge him. After rigorous training, the kitten finally dons the police uniform. Will he become a police officer like his dad? Stop right there, you vile mouse. The kitten confronts the very mouse that took his father's life. You must pay for what you've done. But when the kitten sees the mouse's baby crying, he hesitates. I forgive you, the kitten says softly. The brave police kitten disarms the mouse, showing courage like his father. Later, he introduces his new love to his mother, and together they celebrate the kitten's journey from grief to bravery, finding love along the way.